The chilling implications of SEC Chairman's testimony. Attorney John Deaton weighs in. Good morning, lovely people. I greet you with love. I wish you a wonderful day. Let us get started with today's blog. In a recent video speech, Attorney John Deaton raised alarming concerns following SEC Chairman Gary Gensler's testimony before the House Financial Services Committee. Deaton's takeaways from the testimony suggest that Gensler's assumptions could have far-reaching implications for every crypto project in the industry. These concerns have left leaders and experts in the cryptocurrency ecosystem on edge as they try to understand the possible consequences of Gensler's remarks. The trap of dialogue. According to Deaton, Gensler stated that any crypto project that engages in dialogue with SEC officials for registration purposes could be considered as dealing in securities. Since his appointment as SEC chairman, Gensler has often emphasized the applicability of existing securities laws to the cryptocurrency industry. He has encouraged market participants to have conversations with the SEC, but Deaton's interpretation suggests that this could be a trap for unsuspecting projects. Deaton also highlighted another worrisome point from Gensler's testimony. Projects with functional websites could be qualified as security offering outfits. This broad qualification may catch many crypto projects off guard, as it is not limited to those that directly offer securities on their websites. Another concerning takeaway from Gensler's testimony, as pointed out by Deaton, is the claim that projects that regularly upgrade their software could be considered securities. This assumption could potentially impact a large number of crypto projects, as software updates are a regular part of maintaining and improving any tech-based venture. Conclusion. Attorney John Deaton's takeaways from SEC Chairman Gary Gensler's testimony have sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency industry. The implications of Gensler's assumptions are far-reaching and could impact numerous projects in the ecosystem. As the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies continues to evolve, it is essential for projects to stay informed and tread carefully to avoid falling into potential traps laid out by regulatory bodies. I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.